दोस्तों इस वीडियो में कुछ पावर बीआई से रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर आपसे डिस्कस करूंगा. आई थिंक देयर आर 40 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन. If you have any idea about Power BI, definitely you can give answer of this question, and these questions are very much important if you are facing any interview related to Power BI, or you are preparing for anything related to Power BI. So before starting the question, let me tell you what is basically Power BI. So Power BI is a collection of software, services, apps and connector that works together to turn your unrelated sources of data into coherent, visually immersive and interactive insight. So your data may be an Excel spreadsheet or a collection of cloud-based on premises hybrid data warehouses. So Power BI lets you easily connect to your data sources, visualize and discover what's important and share that with anyone or everyone you want. So basically we are talking about to connecting your data, and after connecting your data you can improve visualization of data as well. So now let's discuss. So first question is the principle of Power BI is based on. So basically the principle of Power BI is based on Microsoft Excel. How would you add a visual to dashboard in PowerPoint? So if you want to add any visual to dashboard in PowerPoint, so for that you have to do embedding. Okay. Now what is full form of BI? So full form of BI is business intelligence. And which Power BI visual is most fitting for estimating uh, education against objectives? So correct option is projectile. Power BI DAX construct style is, so here DAX means design analysis expression. So correct option is filter. What area you change and reshape data in Power BI? So here data editing is most appropriate answer. The free Power BI has a data limit of, so if you are talking about free version, so data limit is 1 GB per client. Which of the following is not a substantial protection level? Here we are talking about not a protection level. So as we know, secure is protection level, private is protection level, and if you are talking about authoritative means that is also protection level. Open is a not example of protection level. What do you use to consolidate inquiries in Power BI? So join queries is correct option. Which language can be utilized when planning question in Power BI desktop? So here SQL is best language to utilize. Which of the following is not a data compose in Power BI? So correct option is a date. Date is a not data type in Power BI. Sorry, double is a correct option. In which year did Microsoft discharge an extra administration called Power BI embedded? So correct option is in 2016. Which of the following is a not self-serviced BI tool? So that is SAP BO. What is best way to shape your data for Power BI? So use a star schema, that is a best way. What is not a built-in Power BI visual? So here correct option is Power KPI. Facebook, Twilio, GitHub and MailChimp are example of Power BI. These are example of Power BI of online services. Power BI Pro has a limit of, so if you are talking about Power BI Pro, so Power BI Pro has a limit of 10 GB per client. And अगर हम Power BI की बात करें तो उसका जो लिमिट होता है वो 1 GB होता है और Power BI Pro का होता है 10 GB. Power BI portable application is accessible for all this with exception of BlackBerry. मतलब iOS पे हम एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, एंड्रॉयड पे कर सकते हैं, विंडोज आईफोन पे भी कर सकते हैं, बट ब्लैकबेरी पे पॉसिबल नहीं है. डाटा कैन बी रिफ्रेश इन पावर BI सर्विस बाई gateway, that is the correct option. One can create visualization by page sheet. What are contents packs? So content packs are documents, file, folder, all are correct option. Contains reference data such as descriptive attribute, that is called dimension table. What is recommended method to share your report? So recommended method is publish them to the Power BI service. What symbol you would use for multiplication in Power BI? So for multiplication we use star sign. Type of data modeling in Power BI that uses data analysis expression and similar to Excel formula, that is DAX. Create the connection between Power BI cloud based data and the data source located on premises, that is called gateway. Calculate a result from an expression formula and the result can only be viewed in the visualization, that is measures. The following are example of the aggregation function. Aggregate function accept, so correct option is Simua winner. A function that can only work on numeric field is, so if you are talking about numeric field, so that is called average, works on only numeric field, which is used to calculate the data in each row. So calculator column is used to calculate data in each row. Which of these value would be matched using the syntax like percentage apple? So that will be star apple, also can be as banana apple, can be also as peach apple, can be also SS. So correct option is D. What are the group of data sources can be Power BI connect? So Power BI can connect file, contents by connector. What DAX function can be used to return a value in column if the condition is met? So that will return F. What expression is used to indicate the table where the values would be searched from? So correct option is from. What is SQL command to return the values from a table? So definitely if you want to return values from the table, then we use select statement. What is the Power BI format, file format? So correct option is C, that is .pbix. All a collection of data that you import or connect to, that is data set. Which of the following are building block of Power BI? So building block of Power BI is visualization, data set, report, dashboard, tiles. So these are all the very much important question of related to Power BI, and if you recap all the question at least 2 or 3 times, so definitely you can get more knowledge about Power BI multiple choice question. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.